Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about the struggle of buying a home that most of my clients have. New construction, listen to this, might be a good option. Stay tuned. There is no question that the financial benefits of selling your house today are outstanding. Now is a truly great time to list if you're ready to make a change in your life. But if you do sell your house right now, you may be wondering, where will I go? Where do I move? With just a few homes available to buy right now, you might be thinking or considering building a new home, as it's just one of the options. But you may be unsure if that's the way to go. Like, how do I know? Let's compare the benefits of a newly built versus moving into an existing one, and why working with a real estate agent is critical to help you with your success, no matter what you decide to do. Either you want to go with a new build or you're going to go with a home that's already out there. So stay tuned. So let's talk about the pros and cons of newly built homes. Alright, first let's look at the benefits of purchasing a newly construction home. With a brand new home, you'll be able to 1. Create your own perfect home. If you build a home from ground up, from scratch up, you'll have the option to select the custom features you want, including appliances, finishes, landscaping, the layout, the materials they used, what roof. So that's the benefit of a new construction home. Number 2. Cash in on energy efficiency. When building a home, you can choose energy efficient options to help lower utility bills, protect the environment, and reduce your carbon footprint. So, solar system, let me know if you need one of those. I have the hookup. Number 3, guys, minimize the need of repairs. So with new construction homes, yes, something can go wrong or whatever, but many builders offer a warranty, so you have peace of mind on unlikely repairs. Plus, you won't have as many little projects to tackle. So with all the warranties and stuff, so the builder is going to come and help you take care of them if something goes wrong. With an old house, whatever happens, happens. So you got to have the money and the funds to have everything repaired by yourself. Hire somebody, have somebody come in, repair it. So number 4, guys. Number 4, everything is brand new. Everything in this house is brand spanking new. Nobody had it before, nobody touched it before, nobody used it before. Another perk of a brand new home is that nothing in this house is used. It's all brand new and uniquely yours from day one. Who doesn't want that? I like new stuff. Alright, so now let's talk about the pros of pre-existing homes. Okay? So number 1, explore a wider variety of home styles and floor plans. Okay, so you just have more options. At the end of the day, you just have to pick what you like. With decades of homes to choose from, you'll have a wider range of floor plans and designs available to you. So number 2 is join an established neighborhood. It's not, you don't know your neighbors or, everything looks still like brand new. With an established neighborhood, existing homes give you the option to get to know the neighborhood, the community, or the traffic patterns before you commit to a specific neighborhood. So that's one of the perks. Number 3, guys, enjoy mature trees and landscaping. With a brand new sparkling home, you don't have that. So established neighborhoods also have more developed landscaping and trees, which you can give you additional privacy and a nicer curb appeal. So that's the thing. And number 4 is appreciate that lived-in charm. You know, some homes already have like a character to itself. People, like I said, people did like some nice landscaping to it. People did something to house, painted it a certain way. Or, you know, the case may be, it just has a different charm to it. So the character of an older home is hard to reproduce. If you value timeless craftsmanship or design elements, you may prefer an existing home. So those are the things. The choice is yours. At the end of the day, the choice is yours. When you start your search for the perfect home, remember that you can go either route. You can go with new construction or you can go for pre-existing homes. So you just need to decide which features and benefits that are most important to you. So working with the guidance of your trusted real estate agent in whatever area you are will help you make the most informed and educated decision you need to have to either go with new builds. They let you know what areas they are, price ranges, everything, so you can move into the home of your dreams. Okay, so just sum it up a little bit, guys. My light just went out. If you have questions about the options in your area, meet with your local real estate agent, and they should be helping you to decide and bring you on the markets up to date. Where our new communities are coming, where our new builds are coming, where are the nicer neighborhoods with pre-existing homes. So, you know, you can make the right choice for you. Thank you so much, guys. If you found value in this video, then please like it, please share it with everybody, subscribe to my channel. I'll be making more videos like that on my YouTube channel, South Florida Lifestyle. So make sure to subscribe, like, share, comment below if you want other videos, any other topics you want me to cover. And thank you, and see you next week in my next video.